It's about damn time that I get a new computer. Because this mic is really funny when it clips. It's about damn time that I get a new computer. I've been working on this PC for well over 2 years now. It served this purpose. It's about time I get a new one. It can barely edit at a stable frame rate, and I'm tired of waiting for it to load. I go fast, and I do things fast. It's about damn time my components do things fast too. I go fast.
Whenever you cut it, you're gonna see it. Like,
no, I'll just do this.
no, turn around, turn it to the side so they don't see it's empty. So they think it's an actual piece. And then
I'm about damn tired of this computer, and the past couple of years I've been saving up money to get a new. Oh no, it's not. I worked too damn hard to get. I worked too damn hard to get this new computer. You got anything to say? Been times I was thinking about ending all of it. After months of research, because this stupid computer takes like 5 hours to load. Damn it! You know how I feel? You know how I feel? I'm tired of waiting for this thing to load.
This is a good shot. I'm gonna go like this.
We not just build the computer.
No, I'm not ready. Not ready. No, I think I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready.
No, sorry, it's my fault. I keep laughing. After months of research, I finally compiled a list of components that I can use for this new build. I know how to build computers. I've watched a lot of Linus Tech Tips. Wash it off a bit. Want me to?
This is the, what's this part called again? Like the power supply, right? The CPU. Yeah, CPU or something. Basically, we got some RAM or something here, like, what is, what? I'm a crib. Storage, I guess. What is this, like the RAM or something?
Yeah, it's the RAM.
All these,
No, you gotta build on the box. It's like Sanction, you gotta build on the box, bro. So I watch a lot of Linus Tech Tips. Obviously. Is your RAM right here? Oh, you know what? Hold on, wait. No, I know how to do this. Wait, watch. Camera tech moment. Watch. Whoa! Look at that. I'll flip it in post. Take this. Oh crap. Ooh! Look at that. Okay. Oh, where's the triangle? I don't see the triangle. Oh, there's no triangle. Oh, there is a triangle right here. Well, it can only go 2 ways. We should just like try one way and then try the other way. I gotta stop doing that. Let's see.
you that nervous?
Yeah. Am I on autofocus? Why is it not autofocusing? Oh, I don't even see it, man. So, Oh, that was nice. Oh crap. What?
Should have popped her out.
Yeah. Oh, it was just okay. That's CPU. Oh. I should do this for a living. Wrong piece. Whoops. It's this one right here. Oh, yo, what? This is like steel. Looks like I'm just groping with the motherboard. Ooh. We gotta stand up. Oh, okay. So I think how some cool looks. Shaking. I feel like it shouldn't do that, man. Oh, it's this standoff. That's not supposed to look like that. Yep. Oh, okay, wait. You get the standoff, and then you put the keep the thermal thing on top of the stand up. Wait, no, I can't install it yet. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, let's get this open. Is that a pea? Nathan, do you know how big a pea is? Move this.
This editing takes too long. Look at how hard it is. Oily.
That's not right. What? That's not long enough to. Oh, do I?
No. Oh, it threads into the fan.
Oh.
Yeah.
This one here?
Laser.
What is this? This is it's like
Lobster?
this is lobster and happy potato. I don't want to spill in your civic.
No, it's okay, bro. Yeah, we get another one, bro. Lime and like seasoning. This tastes chips.
This is power, right? Power and reset. That goes out to here.
I give it like an 8 out of Vietnam. Original mango. No.
What?
No. I just know it's mango.
Bro, that's good, bro.
It's like candy. 20 out of, I don't know. Yeah.
Go away. Take that.
See, my car's gonna smell so bad.
I'll buy you a tree, bro. Little black tree.
Oh, it looks like yellow. We'll just try it. Here, cheers.
Cheers.
I taste nothing.
I don't mind them. What lobster tastes like?
If you ever had chicharrones or like, I don't know, like pork rinds, they just taste like that. Or just like straight up like fried like tortilla. Like this big bag. I thought it'd be like exotic because you know it has this little mofo right here. But it's just a disappointment. So like a 2 out of 10.
2?
Yeah.
Hey, keep playing, keep playing. That ain't going anywhere. Yeah. Building PCs. She be down on her knees. Spitting threes. 1, 2, 1, 2. I smoked the blue. I got no clue what I'm saying.
Yeah, and then we have these exotic super cool candies. I think they're gonna be what you expect. Ooh. It's like McDonald's Sprite with like Coke flavor, but like as a
What?
candy. You drink like a potion.
It's like a warhead without war. Like passive aggressive head. That's not bad though. Did you put it above this?
No, I think this is like. See, I would rate that number 1. I don't know what kind of Lay's over there. Like
Happy potato.
Happy potato Lay's are like. They're good, but it's a solid 2 probably. He's going dead last. I'm gonna go give these to like a homeless person probably. We'll give these to like a 9-year-old and see what they happen.
You to an Amish kid?
Maybe it's like a Jewish kid or something like that. That's the haul. I should have bought like one more. I should have bought the squid legs or whatever. Alright,
I'm not to end this.
bye.
Oh, hey. It's been 2 months. Alright, look, I'm just a really lazy person, but in my defense, I spent the 2 weeks testing the computer, breaking it in and seeing what it can actually do. I don't have a lot to say about this computer. It's pretty good. It does what I want at a good speed. All I wanted was a computer that would outperform my previous laptop, and this does that. I guess I can play Fortnite now, or League of Legends, if I really wanted to.